How to make juicy and delicious kebab at home. Ingredients: 1 kilogram lamb or beef with some fat for more flavor. 3 onions. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons lemon juice or vinegar. Half a teaspoon cumin, optional. 2 tablespoons oil if the meat is lean. Skewers if available. Preparation steps. 1. Cut the meat. Cut the meat into medium-sized, even pieces. Slightly fatty meat is best for juicy kebabs. 2. Prepare the onions. Chop the onions finely or grate them to release the juice. 3. Marinate the meat. In a large bowl, mix the meat with onions, salt, black pepper, cumin, lemon juice or vinegar, and oil. Mix well so the flavors blend together. 4. Let it rest. Cover the bowl and let the meat marinate in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. For best results, marinate overnight. 5. Skewer the meat. Thread the marinated meat onto skewers evenly. If you don't have skewers, you can grill or pan-fry the pieces directly. 6. Cook the kebabs. Grill the skewers over a barbecue. In the oven at 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit, or in a pan. Cook each side until nicely browned and fully cooked. Inside, about 20 to 25 minutes. 7. Serve and enjoy. Serve the kebabs with fresh onions, herbs, flatbread, or salad. Delicious and satisfying.